And here we go, Lincoln fans. We're here at Premier Auctions in Punta Gorda, Florida. And you'll find cars like this. 1925 Lincoln Model L Berline 4-door sedan, or Berline, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Yeah, multiple AACA show-winning restoration. And look at the fine details, you can see why. What a very nice automobile. You know, muscle cars are cars, but these are automobiles. Semantics is the key. Look at the detail back here. Look at this. Fill her up with Ethel. What an amazing automobile, folks. And it has what's called the Fat Man steering wheel. I'm not sure what that is, but that's what it's called. Check it out. You got all your timing right there. Yeah. Driving, and you retard it, I guess, for starting. I have to admit, when I first got in the hobby, I would go muscle cars. But then as I got into the hobby, I started discovering really fine automobiles like this. Lincolns, the Duesenbergs, the et cetera, and the design on them is nothing but just beautiful. Beautiful design from back in the day. And there you have it, Gauze Garage coming from Premier Auctions with the 1925 Lincoln Model L Berline, or Berlina, or Berline. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but there it is. Beautiful car. Thank you.